Welcome to EcoTreks, the ultimate channel for eco-conscious adventurers. If you love spending time in the great outdoors, but want to minimize your environmental impact, this video is for you. Today, we'll share some ingenious, eco-friendly camping hacks that will not only make your next camping trip more sustainable, but also enhance your overall experience. Get ready to embrace the beauty of nature while leaving no trace behind. Did you know that just one camping trip can generate 8 pounds of waste? Shocking, isn't it? But what if there was a way to enjoy the beauty and tranquility of camping without leaving such a destructive mark on our dear Mother Earth? That's where eco-friendly camping gear steps in. For all you nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers out there, we understand your concern about the environmental impact of camping. But imagine a camping experience where your love for nature can coexist harmoniously with the of our planet. This is not just a dream, but a reality in our modern world filled with abundant, eco-friendly camping equipment that can significantly reduce your ecological footprint. As campers, we have a profound responsibility to protect the natural spaces we cherish. So why not take the first step towards becoming an eco-friendly camper? Investing in reusable and durable camping gear is not only a conscious choice towards sustainability, but also a smart financial saves money in the long run. Imagine cooking your meals over a lightweight camping stove that runs on renewable fuel sources, leaving behind virtually zero footprint. And what about replacing your regular camping soap with a biodegradable one, ensuring your wastewater doesn't harm the local flora and fauna? Let's not forget the importance of hydration. Ditch those disposable water bottles and opt for a portable water filter or purification tablets that reduce plastic waste and provide a clean, safe source of drinking water. Engaging in these small yet significant changes, we can collectively create a major impact. Every effort we make to reduce our environmental footprint takes us a step closer to a sustainable future. So let's take that step together and invest in eco-friendly camping gear. After all, it's not just about the journey, but also the footprint we leave behind. Ever heard of the Leave No Trace principles? These are the golden rules for all outdoor enthusiasts, a guide to making our camping experiences harmonious with nature. These principles have been designed with the intent to promote sustainable and respectful interaction with our environment. The importance of these principles is truly immense. They serve as the backbone of eco-friendly camping and are instrumental in directing us to practice a sustainable and considerate engagement with the diverse beauty of nature. The Leave No Trace principles are comprehensive and touch upon various aspects of camping. The first principle is planning ahead. This involves being fully aware of your destination, understanding its rules and regulations, and preparing accordingly. It is a crucial step which, when done correctly, aids in minimizing your ecological footprint and maximizing your enjoyment. By taking the time to research and prepare, you ensure that your adventure does not inadvertently harm the environment in any way. Walking and staying on designated trails is another fundamental principle. While it may be tempting to venture off the beaten path and explore uncharted territories, we must resist this urge. Doing so puts fragile ecosystems at risk. These ecosystems can take hundreds of years to form, yet can be destroyed in an instant through thoughtless actions. Keeping to the trails helps protect these delicate systems. One of the most imperative principles is ensuring that what goes into nature comes back out. This primarily refers to waste management. It's not enough to merely hide or bury it. The objective is to leave no trace. All waste, including food scraps and other assorted trash, should be packed out. This principle is vital in maintaining the pristine condition of our natural landscapes. Fire, while often a necessity, can also pose a major risk to our natural surroundings. Fire safety is thus an integral part of the Leave No Trace principles. We should opt for eco-friendly fire pits or camp stoves and ensure all flames are completely extinguished before leaving. Finally, let's talk about respecting wildlife. This is a principle that asks us to observe from a distance and keep our food securely stored. Disturbing wildlife disrupts their natural behavior and can lead to hazardous situations. Leave no trace and let nature's beauty remain untouched for generations to come. Cooking outdoors is a joy, but it doesn't have to harm our precious environment. In fact, with a little bit of careful planning and mindful actions, you can turn your outdoor cooking into a sustainable endeavor that is rewarding on multiple levels. Let's start with the food itself. The first step towards creating a sustainable meal plan is to dehydrate your own food. Now, this may sound like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple and incredibly rewarding. We're talking about a wide variety of food: fruits, vegetables, grains, even entire meals. One of the key benefits of dehydrating your own food is that it drastically reduces waste. Not only are you eliminating the need for unnecessary packaging, you're also creating a supply of food that doesn't spoil, meaning you won't be throwing away any unused or spoiled food. Additionally, dehydrating your food also makes your backpack lighter. This a massive advantage, especially when you're hiking or backpacking. By reducing the weight you have to carry, you're saving energy and making your outdoor adventures a lot more enjoyable. When it comes to cookware, you could go the traditional route and bring along your regular cooking pots and pans. However, a much more sustainable and eco-friendly option is to use reusable, biodegradable cookware. These unique products are able to withstand the heat of a campfire, and when they eventually wear out, they break down naturally in the environment without causing any harm. And speaking of campfires, cooking over one or using a solar oven, both these methods can be incredibly efficient, and most importantly, they minimize the use of non-renewable fuel sources. This means your meal prep leaves a much smaller carbon footprint, making it that much more sustainable. Finally, we couldn't talk about eco-friendly outdoor cooking without touching on cleanup. It's vital to dispose of your waste and gray water properly. This involves making sure they're well away from any water sources to prevent contamination. If you're camping or hiking in a sensitive area, you might also need to pack out your waste. By incorporating these practices into your outdoor cooking, you can make meal preparation a zero-waste process. Only does this make your outdoor cooking more sustainable. It also gives you the satisfaction of knowing that you're doing your part to protect our environment. So go ahead, savor the taste of sustainability. Camping is all about connecting with nature. Let's keep it that way. As outdoor enthusiasts, we are privileged to have the opportunity to immerse ourselves in the breathtaking wilderness, to soak in its grandeur, and to play a vital role in its preservation. One of the most powerful ways to achieve this is through engaging in activities that are gentle on the environment. When you think of camping, envision activities like birdwatching, nature photography, and stargazing. These eco-friendly pursuits not only allow us to appreciate the beauty and diversity of our surroundings, but they also enable us to leave the smallest possible footprint on the ecosystems we are privileged to visit. Birdwatching, for example, is a tranquil activity that encourages us to slow down, to listen, to observe. As we spot different species and listen to their unique calls, we gain a deeper understanding of the biodiversity that thrives in these spaces. Nature photography, on the other hand, empowers us to capture the ethereal beauty of our environment, to freeze a moment in time, allowing us to share our experiences and inspire others to appreciate nature. A favored camping pastime draws our gaze upwards, reminding us of our place in the vast cosmos and fostering a sense of humility and wonder. These activities not only deepen our appreciation of nature, but also provide a unique opportunity to learn about the myriad species of plants and animals that call these natural spaces home. Each blade of grass, each chirping cricket, and each tree has a story to tell, contributing to the intricate web of life that forms our ecosystem. However, our role as environmentally conscious campers extends beyond mere appreciation. We also have a responsibility to actively contribute to the preservation of these spaces. This can be achieved by participating in trail maintenance initiatives or in conservation efforts. Volunteering our time and energy to such causes allows us to give back to the natural world that we derive so much joy from. It is a rewarding, hands-on way to ensure that these beautiful spaces are protected and preserved for future generations to experience. So, as you pack your bags for your next camping adventure, remember this: get closer to nature without leaving a mark. Maintaining good hygiene on camping trips is a must, but it doesn't have to harm the environment. It's essential to remember maintaining cleanliness doesn't equate to exploiting nature. By making mindful choices, we can ensure we're not leaving a negative impact on the environment. Biodegradable toiletries, for instance, are a perfect choice. These products decompose naturally, leaving no harmful after effects. This ensures that we aren't causing unnecessary harm while keeping ourselves clean. Moreover, managing waste is an imperative part of any camping trip. This includes both gray water and human waste. The proper disposal of these wastes is crucial in order to prevent pollution and maintain ecological balance. Water management is another important aspect. Portable camping showers or solar shower bags are effective tools to minimize water usage, thereby conserving this vital resource. In addition, one must be conscious about the location where they bathe or wash. It's recommended to be at least 200 feet away from any water sources to avoid contaminating them. Remember, the goal is to enjoy nature while respecting it. Stay clean, keep green. So, are you ready to take your camping adventures to the next eco-friendly level? Fantastic! First things first, getting reusable gear is essential. Say no to one-time use items and yes to sturdy, reusable equipment. It's not just about being economical, it's about reducing waste. Next, we embrace the leave no trace principles. It's simple. Enjoy nature, but leave it as pristine as you found it. Don't just take memories, leave footprints and nothing more. Preparing meals mindfully is the next step. Opt for locally sourced, organic ingredients and ensure you carry everything out that you bring in. Keep your campsite clean and wildlife-friendly by properly storing and disposing of food. Moreover, engage in low-impact activities. Enjoy hiking, birdwatching, stargazing, and other non-invasive activities that respect the natural environment. Maintain personal hygiene with eco-friendly practices. Use biodegradable products and dispose of them, the small actions that make a big difference. When we each do our part, we actively work to preserve our precious natural spaces. Make your next adventure an EcoTrek. Your actions can protect the environment we all cherish. Happy trails!